My name is Bilha and we are now ready to make Mexican rice. Long grain rice, and this is exactly 2 cups. Bit of oil, and just keep mixing it until it changes color and usually browns almost immediately. For the spices, we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and 1 of garlic. And I add 1 little scoop of chicken. Okay, I'm gonna add the spices now. And I'm gonna add 5 cups of water. Bring it back to the burner, and once it starts to boil, you cover it up, and in 20 minutes it'll be ready.